Okay, so welcome to this welcome to the London New York session. So now you can see the status of the account. We are almost 24% up. Let's see today's trades. So these are today's trades. We got two full TP here. Our trailing stop loss got hit, and this is the current stop loss. Overall, still we are 1500 plus. Based on the same thing that I discussed in the previous session, in the morning, we marked this entry, we placed the buy limit orders, and you can see it got triggered here and gave a full TP. We had a zone here, which I removed because its work of sell was done. And then, like I always do, whenever I see the profit is about to hit, then I modify the TP to the next level and I kept a TP here, and even that got hit. So finally, job of this level is also done. Here, I got a stop loss. This is what we can see here. This stop loss is the stop loss on this level. So this level has failed, but the two levels rocked. And now what we can see here, I missed this entry. And actually, it's not triggered, I guess. Yes. So now I won't place because almost it is like close to this zone and it has rejected quite well. So now I won't enter here. Now for me, the next level for sell is this one. So I will place a sell somewhere here. $29.464. This is for a huge TP, but we will be trailing, like we will be booking partial profits. Yeah. So let's see if we get an entry here. Yes. So let's see. I will place a sell limit here too. And also at 729, we will be getting another level, another more four levels. Let's see where this level is generated, and then we will place the limit orders. If before 729 price comes here, then yes, I will definitely sell here. Or if before the price comes here, I'll be entering on this buy. And open this downside buy. Okay. So I'll be placing these orders because sometimes during the midnight session, any of the orders can trigger and we may get a good profit when we wake up in the morning. So yes, I'll be placing the limit orders for all the zones. And already we have made good profits. So it doesn't matter even if we hit SL in these trades. You can see the risk that I have taken. This is what I want you to know. See, when we lost just 163, 152, 173 in this way. But when we made profit, see the profit at that time 995, 518, 509. Even this was a trading stop loss. This was not a full TP. And here it's 500 because we book partial at around when we see 1 is to 2. So even though it's 1 is to 7, 8 something, we are not getting the complete 1 is to 7, 8. We are getting around 1 is to 4, 5 something. So mostly my risk per trade is 150. As you know, there is a slippage in almost everywhere. So due to this, even the stop loss was 38.05 and this got to 38.8 in that way. Okay, so sometimes this happens, but no issues, not much loss. So yes, our risk is small, but we have good reward. That's why we are not worried of the small stop losses, and it's worth to take risk on all these trades. Okay, but here I won't risk, like I said. The only reason is here what I can see is it has almost touched it and it has failed almost 1:2 as given here. So I am not looking for a sell entry here. So now it is good for me to wait for all these liquidities to sweep. And what we can see, yeah, this can be a good entry because see here all this liquidity of this. Everyone can be swept and we may get a good entry here. So yes, I think this is a worth selling. This 4773 area is worth to sell. So let's see if we get an entry there. And if in case we get a TP on this trade, then this will be a superb trade. It will be a very good trade there. So let me place these sell limit orders. And see, our risk is predefined. Like we know how much we are risking. So no need to worry about it. So yes, now you can see I have placed a sell limit order here. Right? Mm. Risk is around $150 each trade. So let's see. And the reward is huge. If both trade hits full TP, the profit will be around $4,000. and we are risking just $300 in total. Let's see. I won't say that if this entry is triggered, we will get a full TP. But yes, I think we will get around 1:4 or 1:5 at least. This is what I feel about this trade if this trade gets activated. Lots of reasons, like there are lots of small liquidity points as per the 5 minute time frame. So yes, like all the liquidity of this swing will be covered on this entry. So I just wish that it will sweep the high and then again come at least till this from this level. This will give us around 1:3, 1:4, and then it may again move upwards. So now it's about to be a bullish, but before that bullish, we want a one small bearish move. And that is what we are expecting at this level between 4770 to 4773.61. So I'm expecting a sell from there. Let's see if we get that. And so even if we get 2, 3 good sessions, we can even stop the trading. But as the reward was quite good, so risking small amount is worth, because if even this trade hits a TP, then it will be a huge profit compared to the account. Okay, compared to the account size, it will be huge. Like you can see that it's around 24% up, and we started live from Monday. Also, we missed in the trades of the Asian session because I wanted to place the trades in front of you. That's why I didn't enter that day, and I explained that during the live on Monday Asian live. And we missed 2 TP trades during that day. Otherwise, definitely we would be around 40 or 50% up. And all this is within a week. So yes. Let's see more 11 minutes, and then we will mark the levels for this session, of this NY session. Simple strategy, just focus on one thing and just enter it. Okay, I won't suggest you to enter. It's all up to you. We are not responsible for any of your profit or loss. And we get Proper advice from your financial advisors before entering into any trades. I'm just sharing my views. These are for educational purposes, and I'm showing what I'm doing in my account. Just to show you that whatever I'm explaining here, I'm not just explaining, I'm also performing or taking those trades in my account. So that's what I want to say. More 9 minutes to go to mark new levels. Okay. So just waiting for the entries. Like I want this price to break this level and respect this level. Respect this level and give us a TP or at least till mid TP also is sufficient for today. And then, so don't enter on this. Well, this is a risky trade, this level, but yes, I will enter on these trades as it will sweep all the liquidities in the 5-minute time frame. And also we have this level. We can say this is a type of a GAN level of 4.5. And from here, there is a chance of reversal. So we start here. Already we 15% in a single day today. So it's good to not risk more. So that's why I'm just playing safe on this level because here almost the entry is done. Never has some spread, so we say that we entry. Otherwise, the entry was not 1:2. So it would be a risk free yet. So I would suggest instead of entering here as well. And even if it doesn't come, no worry. We are already 1500 plus for today. That too, we traded it very calmly. So let's see. More 5 minutes and we will be marking another few levels. So as we can see, the job of this level is done. I'm just deleting. Okay, done in the sense it was not respected and we got a stop loss over that. So out of three zones, two zones gave us a profit, and the last one zone gave us a loss. And even I would say the job of this is done, because even though we didn't get entry, but we can see almost the entry was triggered here, then gave 1:2, and then now again moving towards entry. So I'm not interested in this level now anymore. So I'm waiting for price to come to this level and then respect and give us a TP. But to be honest, I don't feel that we'll be getting a full TP. But yes, definitely we may get 1:3, 1:4 once the entry is done here. So if we get 1:4, then we are secured, as you know, because we will be booking partial profits when price moves to 1:2, and that will give us a profitable edge for that trade. And within 3 minutes, we will be marking another four levels that may react during midnight when we are in sleep. So yes, we will be placing buy limit or sell limit orders on those areas too. And let's see what happens next day. So just 3 minutes, and we'll be marking new four levels, and we'll be placing buy limit and sell limit on those levels, and then we will just rest, and then just place alert on your chart, and you can do whatever you want. You don't need to sit in front of screen. Just check your alerts. If the alert rings, that means you are entered into the trade. Then wait for 1:2. Once you see 1:2, book partial profit, and without changing SL, track the trade. And if you see 1:4, 1:5, then you can move your stop loss to 1:2, and then wait for full TP. Then no need to worry about it. So let's see. Will we get the entry? In just 2 minutes, and we'll be marking the labels for New York to midnight. That is till the Asian session starts next day. We'll be waiting for entry on these levels. So let's check. Just 1.5 minutes, and we'll be marking the labels. At 7:29, we will start marking the labels. If you are new to this live, then you will learn how I mark these labels. Yes, so let's mark. So just I will place a fib from here to here. And then we are just interested on 2.5 level. Okay, so we need to modify the entry now. This is the 2.5, and this is the what. This is what you can screenshot of. When I mark these levels, okay, so the levels are overlapping. So I will just enter on the upper level. So I will sell we need 25, 81, 84117, 84117. So this is the stop loss. And it is the one around 127. This is another 117. So that we would have got, then another boom boom big profit would have come. Okay, and okay, I'm now just changing these models. So let me just delete it. Let's place some new orders. Risky to me, depending over. But yes, we have to. Yes, 4.79, 4.793. Okay, so risk around 141 and profit will be 1120. Again, this trade, Okay, so placed this buy limit orders. Now I will place this sell limit order.